Hey guys, and welcome back to another Mane Control Hair Care YouTube video. And this video is how to pin curl your hair after you get it styled at the salon. I have already done about 5 pin curls and I'm going in now to do about 3 more. So I'm going to hydrate my hair first. My hair was really thirsty. I did do a protein treatment previously before I did the silk press. So now I'm going in to stimulate my follicles with Mane Control Hair Care's growth oil. And then I'm going to follow up with the Mane Control Hair Care hydrating and twisting butter, also known as the Loc-In Moisturizer butter. Yes. So here we go. I'm putting in the butter, which you can see immediately my hair is very shiny. It looks like it's heavy, it looks like it's greasy, but it is not. This butter is really moisturizing and really hydrating without all the grease. So as you can see, I followed the curl pattern and I just started to curl it up in a circle. I'm going to do it 2 more times for you guys so that you can get a clear understanding of how to pin curl. That is a bobby pin, and I'm going to use 2 to secure this section. I roll this one forward because when I comb my hair out, I want my hair the curl to go forward towards my face. Alright, here we go with the second section. I'm just going to repeat the moisturizing technique that I did. I'm going in with the growth oil to stimulate those follicles. I'm going to massage that in. And then we're going to add the hydrating butter to kind of seal those cuticles. This butter has aloe vera gel, black Jamaican castor oil, and shea butter. Now you can see that my curls did fall. I have no curl pattern, so I had to create a circle and then pin it down. Now this last one, I'm going to slow it down for you guys. I just kind of wanted to get through the video without making it long and drawn out. But I'm going to slow it down right here for you guys so that you can get a full understanding. And I'm making sure to carefully get those roots. My hair tends to break at the roots if it is not hydrated and I get to combing. So here we go again, no curl. So I got to create a curl, and I want this curl to go back off my face. Alright, so we smooth it all. I use 2 fingers. One is going to turn the curl, the other one is going to hold it. So we turn, hold, turn, hold, turn, hold, turn, hold, turn, hold. And you notice that the curl is not tight. I didn't pinch it real tight because I don't want no tight curls. That was sticking out, so I just wrapped it around the bobby pin. So there you go. I got about 8 to 9 of these big ones. I think I did 3 down from the top to the back, 2 on each side, and I think I did 2 on the top. So that's about 8 to 9, I think. I'm not counting. And here's my satin scarf. I'm gonna tie that tight, so we have no movement during the night. And we're going to tuck these ends and we are ready for bed. Good morning. Yes, I have taken all the bobby pins out of my hair and this is initially how it looks. I'm taking my wide tooth comb and I'm just combing it out. I'm not afraid to comb the curls out. As you can see, look, the shine is still there, guys. Yes. And I'm just going to style this the way I want to. So I'm just combing it out. There's no perfect way to comb your hair out. You just comb the curls. The curls are not going to get combed out. So I'm combing and fluffing at the same time. Yep. I'm combing and fluffing. It got shine. It's way better than yesterday now that it's hydrated. So yes, ladies, my hair is natural. I did not do a hard press, so do not clown me on this video or try to come for me. I did not do a hard press. This is just enough for me. I love volume. I love my hair to look fluffy and healthy, basically. So this is just me styling it. You can style it how you want to. I love a side part with curls, so that's why I did the pin curl. If I wrapped it, it would have been nice and it would have been flat. And I don't like flat hair, so I'm just going through making sure it's all the parts are combed out and it's combed to my liking pretty much. So this part, you do you. Yes, this is Mane Control Hair Care's Edge Slay, boo-boo. Yes. So if you've seen it on a previous video, I used it when I first styled my hair, and I'm going to use it again. I just did it like this today because I wasn't really going anywhere but to pick my son up. But just to lay it down, make it look like I'm doing something, and just smooth it back. And yes, this edge control works on natural hair. Look at that. Look at that. I didn't do my sideburns, but I just did right there. Just enough. And I'm ready for the day. A little decent. And I will check you guys out on the next video. And thanks for watching. Peace out.